Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install DuplexPlay or any Android application on your laptop running Windows whatever version. Even if it is 7 or 8.1 or 10, it does not matter at all. First of all, download the BlueStacks emulator from their official website. Once it is downloaded, install it. Remember, this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. So once it is installed, open it if it does not open automatically. Now you should sign into Play Store using your Google account so that you can download any application. After being signed in and agreed to the Google's politics, the Play Store will finally open up. In the search bar, type in DuplexPlay. Click on Install and wait. A few days later, a few moments later, click on Open. If you would like to activate it and you found any difficulties, contact me from the description below. I will do it for you. And now add your playlist and enjoy. Wait, if you want to buy a playlist, check the description below. And finally, have a nice day.